Hey YouTube, it's Raina and I'm coming today to just show you how to make some very easy potato salad. It's only 8 ingredients, and with the boiling time of the potatoes shouldn't take you any longer than about an hour, and most of these ingredients you should have in your kitchen already, so you shouldn't need to run to the store. Go ahead and continue watching and let's get started. So the first step, of course, you always want to wash your hands. You know, cleanliness is closest to godliness and all that. From there, we're going to go ahead and start chopping up our onion. As you can see, I'm just taking a whole onion and taking about a quarter of that onion, and I'm going to dice it up into small pieces. My husband loves onions, so I do try to have them fairly larger, as you can see, but that is per preference. Next, we're going to start with the potatoes. Mine are already boiled. I boiled them for 45 minutes to an hour on medium to high heat, or until they were busting open, as you can see. From there, I'm going to take a butter knife. I always use a butter knife when I go to peel them and to chop them up, just so I don't accidentally cut myself or nick myself with a full bladed knife. Allowing the potatoes to bust open causes them to be a lot easier to cut and peel using a butter knife. And then from there, as far as removing the potato skin, that's per preference. As you can see, I had a little skin left, which is perfectly fine. And as you can see, I did cube them and left fairly larger pieces. That's pretty much to kind of hold the potato salad together. From here, we are just adding everything in. I'm going to start with adding those onions that I chopped up earlier. Next is the Miracle Whip. I always use Miracle Whip. It's just something about that flavor or that taste that tastes a lot better than just using mayo or mayonnaise. So Miracle Whip is my go-to. I would say it's about maybe a cup or two that I used for this portion of the mixture that I'm using. Next is sweet relish. You can use any kind of sweet relish, but it has to be the sweet relish kind to get that tangy sweet flavor of potato salad. And from here, we add in our mustard. Some people say this is optional, but I say that it is mandatory. Not only does it give it that distinct flavor, but it also changes the color of the potato salad and not have it looking all bland and pale. Now we have seasoning, which of course we're going to be using Lawry's. Just sprinkle that all over the top of the mixture, and that should be good. And then we're also going to go in with some ground paprika. Paprika, say that 5 times straight. Some ground paprika also is going to help with that flavor and that color. And finally, we're going to be adding our sugar. In this household, we prefer a little sweeter potato salad, so I guess this could be considered optional. I use about a half a cup of sugar, and I toss that in there, and then at that point we are good to go. We're going to go ahead and start the mixing process. We're going to mix until everything is well combined and those potatoes are very well coated with everything that we have tossed in that bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and even it out, spread it out, and then also sprinkle some more paprika over top, just to again give it that, distinct look of potato salad when you go to, your cookout or a family gathering or whatever you're going to. From here, we are finished. We're going to go ahead and pop that into the refrigerator for about an hour, maybe 2 hours, and you're good to go. You're all set. Your potato salad is finished. I hope you've enjoyed this video for our 8 ingredient potato salad. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and happy cooking.